Being a part of something special, like the construction of Raxio Data Centre, is a dream come true. How did the team feel working on a project such as this?
First of all, we were delighted when we were approached by Raxio to be the consultant who would design and oversee the construction of this facility. We know that it was a unique facility, the first of its kind within the country, and we really appreciate that we would be part of this new endeavor within the country.
For me, it was quite a challenge in terms of the type of project.
What were the expectations working on this project?
Our expectations on this project was that it would have several disciplines who would have to collaborate to achieve this feat. So there would be a lot of interaction and innovation on our part to successfully achieve this project within the country.
How different was this project from others the consultants and experts have worked on?
Multi-story buildings, which in design it changes, differs, but in principle it is the same thing.
In spite of not featuring in this documentary due to logistical challenges, Raxio Data Centre would like to recognize the efforts and contribution made towards the construction of Raxio Data Centre. Raxio Data Centre was a unique project, not only with regards to the magnitude of the project, but also the special understanding it took for the market to get the big question: why does one need the facilities provided at Raxio Data Centre?
These are critical for storing data, both personal and business and government data here locally, and storing it in a way that's safe and secure and readily accessible.
So, how did the market embrace Raxio Data Centre? Has there been progress made towards the market, understanding the unique proposition that Raxio Data Centre brings to the table?
We really had to sensitize the market. We did this through conferences, through webinars. We had customers visit our data center to understand what we are doing versus what the market has in place. We have about 70% occupancy for our phase 1 deployment.
We all know nothing amazing comes easy. And throughout the construction of Raxio Data Centre, there was a number of construction challenges that stood in the way of the timely completion of the world-class data centre.
Timelines, mainly because of COVID-19, delivery of specialized workers who are not in country.
The construction of Raxio Data Centre experienced back-to-back challenges that were unforeseeable at the onset. With these challenges, how did they manage to overcome the changes in timeless while delivering on a world-class data center project of this magnitude?
We had to restructure our delivery timelines on this project. We updated our policies to achieve this. And then for items that were being manufactured and procured out of the country, we had to engage those partners and suppliers and renegotiate different routes and ports to deliver some aspects that were affected by this pandemic.
The more you listen, the more you understand what a special project Raxio Data Centre was. In the next and the final part of the documentary, we look into the crystal ball and unveil what holds for the future of Raxio Data Centre.